Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a flooring material, different flooring material, that is SPC flooring, which is going to change the flooring industry completely. Today we have a special guest, Niket Bhalara. He is from the flooring industry who will explain us what this material is all about.
Thank you, Yukti. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the SPC, which is the new product. Actually, it has been into the market since quite few time, but for us as an Indian manufacturer, it is a new product, and it is widely accepted around North American countries as a flooring material right now. So what exactly is the SPC? SPC is a stone polymer composite, which is made of, as the name suggests, stone material, which is like a natural stone or natural material, which is sourced from the mines, and it is mixed with the polymer, which is like thermoplastic polymers, which can change its shape when it is given a certain amount of temperature. So together they are glued together, and it makes the base of the SPC. So there has been multiple types of vinyl flooring into the market, which has been popular since quite sometimes many decades. Originally it was like the natural wood vinyl planks, then it was evolved into the WPC, which is like a wood polymer composite, and now SPC is the most advanced and most refined type of vinyl flooring which is available in the market right now.
So Niket, what is WPC?
So WPC is like, as I told, that it is a wood polymer composite, and it is like a second stage or second version of a traditional vinyl flooring. But difference between the WPC and SPC is like it is made up of the stone polymer. So stone or natural stone has more strength than the natural wood. So that is the main key factor which differentiate between the WPC and SPC. And because of the more strength, this product is more durable and it can last for more years than the WPC. So there are different types of SPC available in the market right now. It depends on the thickness of the SPC, then on the designs of the SPC, then also on the wear layer. Like there is a layer which is like a protective layer on the top of it. It depends on the wear layer thickness. There are different kind of SPC. So basically an SPC is made up of 5 layers. The base layer is called underlayer, which is like bottommost part of the SPC. It is used for a padding purpose. So whenever a person is walking over the SPC, it absorbs the noise or the movement of the person. Then the main layer is like the core layer, which is above the bottom layer, and it is made up of the stone and polymer, as I told you earlier. Above that is the printing paper, which consists of the design of the SPC. And above that there is a wear layer, which is like a protective layer. So whenever someone is walking through it or there is some wear and tear, it protects the SPC from scratching or from abrasives. Yeah.
Okay.
And the topmost layer is the UV coating. So the reason for the UV coating is like it doesn't lose its color or its shine over a period of time. So it is made up of 5 layers. The topmost is the UV, then there is a wear layer, then there is the printing paper, then there is a core layer, which is the stone and polymer, and then there is a bottom padding layer.
Okay. So what are the advantages of having SPC?
The advantages of using an SPC are multiple, but to explain it shortly, I will point down 3 main advantages. First is like it is very economical to use, because it is a DIY product. Normally there is as a flooring material you use natural wood, then you use the natural marbles or natural stones, then you can use a ceramic tile, but all of them are having a certain price level which is higher, and also for the installation of that you have to use the adhesives and you have to grout it and those kind of things. Also you have to use a special labor to install it. You have to have a professional person, or you might have to learn it. So it is like time consuming plus more price oriented. And for the SPC, the advantage is like you can do it yourself. Like everything, you can just go to a store and you can pick up the boxes and you can do it on 1 day or 2 days depending on the size of your room. That is the main first advantage. Then the second advantage is like this is available in quite different options. Like it is right now available in the wood looks, then it is available in the natural stone looks like marble looks. It is also available in the square format in Moroccan prints. Nowadays they have developed a new technology where you can get the SPC floor in also in the square format. So that is the second main advantage of using the SPC. The third advantage would be the durability of this product. Like this product, you can use it somewhere, and if you are changing the place or something like that, you can just take it out and you can use it at the new place, and it is very simple. So with the other traditional product, you cannot do that. So even if you are changing your workspace or your residential space, then if you are changing that place, then you can also change the floor and you can take it with you and you can use the same floor. So the overall life of this product is more, and because of the stone polymer composite, the durability is even more than the WPC or the traditional vinyl flooring. So that are the main three advantages. If you are interested in learning more about the different kind of SPC or the more advantages of SPC, or what are like in detailed version of what is the difference between vinyl, WPC, SPC in terms of the strength, in terms of the noise absorption. Like some people say that WPC absorbs more noise and instead of SPC, but that is not that accurate. It depends on the quality of the product or the company you are purchasing the SPC from. So we can do a live test or something like that in the future videos if you like.
Okay, so now here you know about what SPC is and what are the advantages of using it. So it is a complete DIY product. You can have it and you can do it on your own. Even I can apply it in my house. So that easy it is rather than applying the other tiles. So
one more thing I would like to add is like with the SPC you can even buy it from online. If you are having an online store, you can ask them for a sample swatch card, and they can easily courier you the samples, and you can choose it from there. Instead of the traditional ceramic tile flooring, that will take much time. You have to visit them, you have to check the thickness and those kind of things, and it is not easy to get a free sample or like in courier. So this material you can even buy online, so that is also one more advantage.
Yeah. So if you think that this video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
And also if you want to see more such video on the flooring industry, such as like ceramic tile, subway tiles, those kind of comparisons video, you can also check out our complete channel, and hope to see you soon.